Hey, good afternoon. We're just out for a little walk here in St. Paul, Minnesota. It's really getting towards the end of winter now. You can see that the snow is just starting to kind of disappear, and with some super warm weather coming in the next couple days, this might all be gone because we got some rain and nearly 50-degree weather. So I just had we've been working on the advertising on our site and our mobile site for the last about month, really hard, and it kind of made me realize that one thing that I wanted to share as a daily tip was to use multiple ad networks. That's a big deal. Anybody can get into Google AdWords and AdSense. Those are wonderful, but the problem is they've got a lot of specific rules, and a lot of people don't know what the rules are. You just want to make sure that you're keeping up to date with all those things. Like little things like, the advertisements have to be contextual, so they can't be on pop-ups, or they can't be on floating bars, or sticky bottoms, or anything like that. They have to be in your content. Sidebars are okay because Google uses keywords. Now, if you have another network, you'll be able to fill in some other ad spaces. But also, besides the additional ad spaces you can come up with, having the different networks have different rules on how many ads you can put in a post and where the placement goes and that kind of thing. And if you can blend them together, they don't see it that way. So they would like to I can have, like Google AdWords says, you can have up to three advertisements on a page. So if you think about it, that's one in your post, one on a header, and like one in a sidebar. That's really all they want. But like the idea is that you scroll down, the one disappears, you have one further down. Well, that's fine, but you might have a site that would fit a little more than that. So you'd need to find another ad network to do that. So that's the first reason you do it. But another reason that you have multiple ad networks is they're out there trying to get customers, and you want to, instead of choosing an ad network like a column and choose the best and the worst advertisers in each column, you want to skim the best off of the top of each one. So if you have 100,000 ad placements to fill over a few day period, what you want to do is choose 100,000 that are the highest paying from each network, not 100,000 from one or 100,000 from the other. So that's the other reason, is you get a better RPM, or revenue per mil. So that's my tip. Use multiple ad networks. As you play around with them, it'll make sense. You'll learn it. It's not that complicated. You just got to stick at it a little bit. So everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.